Psalm 138. I will praise thee with my whole heart. Before the mighty, I will sing praise unto thee. I will worship towards thy holy temple, and praise thy name for thy loving kindness and for thy truth. For thou hast magnified thy word, and thy name above all. In the day when I cried, thou hast answeredst me, and strengthenest me with strength in my soul. All the kings of the earth shall praise thee, O Yahuwah, when they hear the words of thy mouth. Yea, they shall sing in the ways of Yahuwah, for great is the glory of Yahuwah. Though Yahuwah be high, yet hath he respect unto the lowly, but the proud he knoweth afar off. Though I walk in the midst of trouble, thou wilt revive me. Thou shalt stretch forth thine hand against the wrath of mine enemies, and thy right hand shall save me. Yahuwah will perfect that which concerneth me. Thy mercy, O Yahuwah, endureth forever. Forsake not the works of thine own hand.